Hello, my name is Chris Brock, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a table and graph in Excel. So first off, what we want to do is go ahead and open up Excel. We can do that by going to the search bar and then type in Excel. And then once we open it, we're going to want to click on Blank Workbook. And then in columns A and B, we're going to want to enter in our appropriate data that we want to show in our graph or table. So for this one, for example, I will be going months of the year, and then I'll also be doing the total profit from that year in column B. And then to create a table, we would just want to select the data we want to put in the table. And we can either go to insert and then press table right here, or as you see in the shortcut, you can just press Control and T, and this window will pop up, and then you would just press OK. And then it'll create a table for you. You can change the colors if you just click on it in table design. And then there's a bunch of options you can choose from. I'm just going to keep it as this one for now. Next, we want to highlight the data that we want to show in our graph. So once we highlight A2B2 all the way down to A13 to B13, we go back to insert the tab at the top. Press this drop box right here. And then this will show you the recommended charts that it suggests. So we have a line chart, a clustered column chart, a stacked area chart, a funnel chart, and then the other chart. I'm going to go with the clustered column chart because I think it looks the best for our scenario. You can also go to the all charts column on the right side, and it gives you a bunch of other options. For this scenario, I'm going to be using this one. And then you can just drag it wherever you want the chart. I like to put it next to my data that I have, so it corresponds accordingly. Here you would change the chart title. And then as you see on the left side, it has the values of 0 to 18,000, and then it goes from January to December on the bottom. Here you can customize the chart on the right side here. You can change the font, text fill, text outline, and you also have fill and border, and then you also have these other options. You can also go at the tab at the top where it says chart design. There's other ways you can format this as well. You can also click on format and give you different ways of editing and customizing it here as well. So next, what we're going to do after we have our chart and we like where it is positioned, we're going to go to File, Save As, and here you'll want to browse where you want to save your file location at. So I'll be choosing this one for this class. And then here we want to title this appropriately. So this one I will go profit of the months with graph. And click save. And then your work is complete. You can close out. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped. And I hope you guys have a good rest of your day.